Today we have the 2023 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just under 11,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access App Connect, users, navigation, radio and media and smartphone integration, our vehicle settings, sound and background. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we can get quick access to our assist systems, menu and climate.